welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and say hello to this pimple. I'm gonna name this soon. Wait. I just came back home from college and this is my fit. Quite casual. So today was not a hectic day, but like it was tiring definitely because traveling in summer season is really upsetting for me. I don't like sunlight. Anyway, I have finally decided that I'm gonna vlog because I love making videos and my offline college has started. So I have to attend classes, I have to attend college. I can feel productive by making videos, so that's the reason. Anyways, if you're new to this channel and you're seeing me for the first time, then please subscribe because you're gonna see numerous amounts of vlogs in this channel, like random everyday vlogs. If you're interested, then please subscribe. I feel fresh now because I've taken a bath and I've removed my face pack, and this is how my skin looks. Here's my dinner. My room is really messy as you can see, so let's quickly clean this.